Hello children. Today we are going to start our new lesson, which is your second lesson you finished, 3D and sweets. Today which lesson we are going to learn? Third lesson, Ellie goes to school. Which lesson? Third lesson, name is Ellie goes to school. What they given you warm up activity there? Find the animals in the picture, match them with the words given below. What they given? They given one picture here. In that they given different type of animals and you should match them where the animals are there. Here they given animals name for you. Here they given in picture animals. So elephant spelling you should match. Tortoise spelling you should match. Fox you should match. Monkey you should match. Okay children, you do it yourself that one. So your animals are there. Some of the animals, that one only they given. Ellie goes to school. Ellie, who is Ellie in this lesson? Ellie is a elephant. Let me see which all animals are there and what are the names of that animals. This is Ellie. She is an elephant. Ellie likes to go to school. Who is Ellie here? Ellie is an elephant. Who is Ellie? Ellie is an elephant. What he likes? Elephant likes to go to school. Ellie is liking here to go to school. That is Mitz. Mitz is a monkey. He has a long tail. He looks like, he too likes school. Who is Mitz here? Mitz is a monkey. Mitz is a monkey. Monkey will be having long tail, right? So they given there he has a long tail. And like elephant, monkey also is liking to go to school. Who is Ellie? Ellie is elephant. Ellie is liking to go to school. Mitz also is Mitz is a monkey. Mitz also is liking to go to school. And this is Tough. He is a tortoise. Tough has a hard back. He likes to read. So, what is Tough? Whose name is Tough in this lesson? Tortoise. Whose name is Tough? Tortoise name is Tough. Ellie is elephant. Mitz is monkey. Tough is tortoise. So, what tortoise had? Tortoise is having a hard back. Hard back. Hard means what? It will be not soft. Hard meaning is not soft. Hard meaning is not soft. It will be too hard. You can't touch that one. If you touch, you feel like a stone. Stone is hard, no? And how it will be sponge? Sponge will be very soft. Stone will be very hard. So the tortoise back is so hard here. And he also likes to read. Elephant is a Ellie here. Ellie is going to school and Mitz is a monkey. Mitz also liking to go to school. Next is Tough. Tough is a tortoise. Tortoise also is liking to read. Ellie, Mitz and Tough are good friends. Ellie, Mitz and Tough. Three also are good friends. Who are they? They are good friends. They go to school together. Means they were going to school every day together. They sit with other baby animals in the class. They was sitting with other baby animals. So only three will be there in the class. Many will be there in the class, right? So who will be there? Other small animals will be there in the class. Though, so this three also was going to school and they were sitting with that animals. Miss Feline Fox is their teacher. Ellie meets Santa like her very much. Who is Feline here? Feline is a teacher here. Feline is teacher. Who is that? Feline is a fox. Who is Feline? Feline is a fox. And what she was doing in the school? She is a teacher. She is a teacher. They are students. They were friends also. They were going to school. And this teacher is a feline. Feline is a fox. What meaning of teacher? Teacher means what? You know, no? Your teachers. A person whose job is to teach. So, hard means not soft. Teacher meaning is a person whose job is teaching. For them we will say as a teacher. Who is teacher here? Here Fox is teacher. Fox name is Feline. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Miss Fox puts on her glasses and teaches them from their school books. Our classes are fun. So, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, what teacher was teaching them from their textbooks? Means you will be having your books like this, textbooks, no? So from textbooks, she was teaching to the students. Our class will be what? Our class will be very funny. So she will be teaching them what? On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days, what she was teaching? She was teaching from their textbooks. From where she was teaching? She was teaching from their textbooks. Friday is story time. Let me read you a story Miss Fox says on Friday morning. On Friday, what she was teaching? On Friday, she was teaching a story. So, only on 4 days she was teaching from the books, textbooks, and on Friday she was teaching a story. So, on Friday morning, what she is saying to students? Today is story time. Do you want to listen to story, children? She asked. For whom she is asking here? For Ellie, Mitch, Stuff and all our students, no? For them, she is asking here. Today is Friday, so we are learning story. Do you all like children to listen story? She is asking to children. You all liking to listen the story. Yes, miss, they said together they love stories. Obviously, everyone loves stories, right? You people also, if we say stories, you will listen. Like that only, that students also said, yes, miss, we love stories. Together, all of them will say. So she takes out a nice picture book and reads them a story. So she will take one nice story book and she started saying the story. When the story is over, she closes the book and puts it on her lap. That's all for today, children. She says with a smile. What she will do? She finished the story and she closed the book and she put on his lap. Lap means on the lap. If we are sitting on our leg will be there, no? If you fold, that one is a lap. So on that she will put and she will say all the students to today's class is finished, children. With the smile she said and she closed the book. Ellie, Mitch and Tuff get up to help Miss Fox. Ellie waters the plant. Mitch put the books back into the shelf. He stands on Stuff's back to do so. Means what they did? They are helping to teacher now. What Ellie will do? Ellie and Mitch and Tuff get up to help Miss Fox. Means they get up and they will say to Miss Fox, we will help you. What Ellie will do? Ellie will water the plant. Plant will be there, no? If we put pour water to that plant, for that we will say waters the plants. Ellie is watering the plants. Understood, children? Waters means what? Ellie is watering here, no? Waters means gives water to plants. Waters means gives water to plants. So Ellie is taking the water and he said that I will water the plants. Mitch puts the book back. Mitch puts the book back into the shelf. Shelf means what? You'll be having in your room or cupboard, right? The wooden one to keep some things in that. Step by step it will be. That one we call as a shelf. What we say? Shelf. So something we keep in that. That one as shelf. So how he is keeping books in the shelf? He can't keep in the shelf properly. Height is not shortage. So what he will do? He take tortoise help. He will stand on the tortoise and he will keep that book back. Why? How he can stand on the tortoise? Well, tortoise back is very hard, right? So he is standing on the tortoise back and he is keeping that books on the shelf. Miss Fox says, thank you children. See you on Monday. So all the works finished. Ellie waters the plants. What Mitch do? Mitch puts book back into the shelf. So how the tortoise help? Tortoise is helping Mitch to put back the books. He is standing on the tortoise. So after that what happened? Fox said all the children to bye children, we will meet on Monday. Bye miss, they said together. They also said to teacher bye. That's all this lesson children. Let us revise once. Okay. Ellie goes to school. Who is Ellie here in this lesson? Ellie is an elephant. Mitch is a monkey. Stuff is a tortoise. These three also friends in this story. What they are liking to do? They like to go to school. So they three also will go. They are three also close friends and they are liking to go to school. They will go to school together every day. Then who is their teacher? Miss Feline is their teacher. Who is Feline in the story? Fox is a Feline. So she is a teacher. These three also likes very much this Feline in the story. So what they did on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, they were reading from the textbooks. Miss Feline was teaching them from the books. On Friday, what she was doing? On Friday, she was teaching them a story from the story books. So children also love the stories to listen them. Well, after that, what they did? Class was finished. Story also finished. So Feline said, "This today's class is finished. Let us go." Then that time, what these three said? These three also stand up and they said, "We will help you." What help they did to Miss Feline? They went, Ellie waters the plants and Mitz will keep the books in the shelf. So he can't keep books in the shelf, so he took help of tortoise. He stand tortoise back and he kept the books into the shelf. So Miss Feline was happy to that and she said, okay children, thank you. Today's class is finished. We meet on Monday and she will go. What all meanings we learnt in this lesson? Hard, not soft. Teacher, a person whose job is teach. Who is teaching? No, for them we call as a teacher. Water means gives water to plants. So Ellie waters the plants, right? So water means giving water to plants. Okay, children, take your next page, page number 34. What you should do there? They given circle the correct answers, right? So, what you should do? You should write answers in the proper place. They given options to you. Ellie is and dash. Who is Ellie in this lesson? What you should write there? Ellie is a elephant. You should write in your book elephant. There in the dash you should write elephant. Mitz as a long dash they given. Bag, back, tail. Who is Mitz in this story? Mitz is a monkey. So monkey has a what long? Tail. You should write there in the dash tail. What you should write? You should write tail. Miss Fox teaches them from their books. When she is teaching from school books, when all she teaches, she teaches on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. When she is teaching for them, she is teaching on from school books Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. In your second option is correct for you. Second option is correct. This one you should tick or you can write there also. It is okay. Miss Fox reads a dash from a picture book. What she is reading from a picture book? What she was reading from picture book? So this 4 days she was explaining them from the textbooks. On Friday she was taking in which book she was teaching? From the story book. From which book she was teaching? From the story book. Okay children. Pick the correct sentence. Mitz is going home. Mitz is helping Miss Fox. What is doing there? Your monkey and fox is there. She is saying bye or she is helping Miss Fox. What Mitz is doing? Mitz is saying bye. So what you should tick? Mitz is going home. K1 is correct. A1 they given. No, that one is correct. Miss Fox is smiling. Miss Fox is crying. What Miss Fox is doing there? She is smiling. So this one also you should tick A1. So next what they given children, listen and respect the words, color the days on which you go to school with green. One is done for you. What you should do? They given there Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So which day all you are going to school? You should color in the green. So Monday you are going, Tuesday you are going, Wednesday you are going, Thursday you are going, Friday you are going, Saturday also you are going to school. Sunday are you going? No. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday you should color in the green. Which color you should color? You should color it in the green color. Here, complete these words from your lesson. So they given what first one for you? SCHO SC dash L, like this they given. The spelling is what? School. You should write there O. SCHOOL, school. MONKEY, monkey. So MO dash they given, KEY they given. So you should write in the dash N. T dash ACH they given. What you should write? Teach. TEACH. S dash ORY. What spelling is this? Story. 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 What is this? Story. T you should write in that dash. DOOK. Dash they given. What you should write there? K. Book. 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 GL dash SSES. Glasses. This spelling is GLASSES. Glasses. So some of the rhyming words is there in the C main. This is B main. In the C main, they given for you song, rail, sack, bands, look. Right, children? Like this they given for you in your textbook. What you should write there? Song. In this lesson, similar to this, means same word. Now, read, bed, said, like that you will be saying and going same pronunciation words, right? Like that. For that we call as a rhyming word. Song. For that what we should write? In this lesson, they given you long tail, right? So, song, long. Song, long. Same, it is coming sounds, right? So, rail, tail. Rail, tail. Okay, children? Sack, back. Tough back is so hard, right? The given. So, sack, back. Band, stands. When they use this word stands, they all stands together and they will say to folks to help, no? That time they use this word. So, band, stands. Look, book. Look, book. So, this all rhyming words they given in your book. So, okay children. Next page, page number 36, they given dash is the N. You already learned this one, this, that, which is near to us, that one we say as a this is a N. Here they given N. So, this is near to me, book. So, I will say this is a book. So, there something, something is there means I will say what? That is a book. Means if it is far to us, we will say that. If it is near to us, that we will say this. So here they given N here. So it is, this picture is near to the dash or far to the dash. So it is near. What you should write? You should write this. What you should write? You should write this. Dash is a ship. Where is the ship? Your hen is picture near only. Ship picture is far. So what we should write? That. Dash is a Rohit. Means Rohit is here only. So what you should write? This is Rohit. Dash is Rohit's school. So Rohit is here. Where is the school? Far from him. Near from Rohit it is not there. It is far from Rohit. What you should say? That is Rohit's school. So, understood children? If it is near to us, we will say this. If far to us, we will say that. So, they given you, trace these words, write them in the space below. Trace they given. They given, written, they given as a dots. So, what you should do? You should trace on that. Fine. You complete this all activity, children. Okay. So, from this lesson, let me learn some of the opposites. What we are going to learn? Some of the opposites. For long, L-O-N-G, long. What is the opposite of long? It is too long. So, what you should say? Short. What you should write? Short. Long, short. Next one is hard. Hard. So it is too hard. Stone is hard, right? How it will be sponge? Soft. Hard, soft. Hard, soft. Good. Yours too good, we will say. What is the opposite of that? Bad. Good, bad. Good, bad. Then sit, stand. Right? Sit is a sitting. Stand, opposite to that. Love, hate. Say no, I love you too. Means if somebody is pet to you, your friends like that, your mother, father, you say love. If you are not liking someone, that is hate. Love, hate. Laugh, cry. So, laughing, crying. It is a opposite. Back, front. Back, front. Okay, this much only is there in this lesson. We will summarize one. This all rhyming words. This all you should write in your textbook. Okay. This one is opposite. Say with me once. L-O-N-G, long. S-H-O-R-T, short. Long, short. Long, short. H-A-R-D, hard. S-O-F-T, soft. Hard, soft. Hard, soft. Good, bad. G-O-O-D, good. B-A-D, bad. G-O-O-D, good. B-A-D, bad. H-A-R-D, hard. S-O-F-T, soft. Hard, soft. Good, bad. S-I-T, sit. S-T-A-N-D, stand. S-I-T, sit. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Sit, stand. L-O-V-E, love. H-A-T-E, hate. Love, hate. Laugh, cry. L-O-L-A-U-G-H, laugh. C-R-Y, cry. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. C-R-Y, cry. Laugh, cry. B-A-C-K, back. F-R-O-N-T, front. Back, front. Long, short. Hard, soft. Good, bad. Sit, stand. Love, hate. Laugh, cry. Back, front. I hope you all understood this lesson well, children. You enjoyed the class. Thank you.